What is entomology? Entomology is the scientific study of insects, which are a class of arthropods that make up the largest and most diverse group of animals on Earth. Entomologists study various aspects of insects, including their taxonomy, morphology, physiology, behavior, ecology, genetics, and evolution. They may also study insects' interactions with other organisms, their roles in ecosystems, and their impact on human health, agriculture, and the environment. Entomology has practical applications in fields such as pest management, agriculture, forensic entomology, and conservation biology. Entomologists may work in research institutions, universities, government agencies, or private industry, and their findings contribute to our understanding of the natural world and help inform decisions related to insect conservation, management, and control. Thanks for watching.